Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you to my channel Learn and Earn. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you are notified of all my upcoming videos. Before moving ahead in the video, let me give you a little overview of today's topic because this is my new channel and I have made this channel for all my friends who contact me from different sources. They told me that I should make some informative videos for them so that they can do this online earning or home-based job and get free from 9 to 5 jobs and start their passive income. So today we are going to discuss a channel through which we can promote our offers on different channels. So today we will choose a channel from those different channels through which we can promote our offers without any investment. As I told you in the last video that how we can advertise on Twitter, which is also a free channel. So let's not waste any more time and move on to this procedure. So before starting this procedure, we have some requirements. One requirement is that we should have an offer. You can take that offer from CPAGrip, Aragon, ClickBank, Digistore. You can choose this offer from anywhere. So for this video, I have chosen CPAGrip. If you have not made an account on CPAGrip yet, then you will find a link in the description below. You can go through it and make your account. And if you have not seen my previous video on how to make an account on CPAGrip, then you can also see that. You will find its link in the video below. So first of all, let's see what kind of offer we have. So what we do is, if we first see a little bit of CPAGrip, how much traffic is coming from which country, then we see a similar site. Here we go and do a little searching of CPAGrip. How much average monthly daily traffic is on it and from which country it is coming so that we can pick that offer which will give us some benefit. So you can see that this CPAGrip was founded in 2011. Its global rank is coming in front of you. Its country rank is coming and see how much it is in the category. Now if we look at this, you will find the details of its competitors here. Now we see here which are the top countries. See almost 14% traffic from the United States, 9% from India, from Brazil, Nigeria, Bangladesh and so on. And now you can see all the countries from here. So in this way, we will give a little overview from here because our topic is not on a similar web. So you had to give an overview that if you want to see its complete details, where its traffic is coming from, you can see it from a similar web. So from here we choose an offer. We go to the offer section and after going to the offer section, we see from here, let's suppose it is Pakistan. You can choose Pakistan from here. You can choose any other country. So we search the United States from here. Because in today's video, the method we are going to use, we do not have any limited options. So we choose an offer from here. Suppose we take this offer, we can do it with PayPal gift card or here this is also an offer. So now let's pick someone from here. So we choose it from here. First of all, what we do, we save a little detail with us. We copy its headline from here. After copying it, we save it on a page with us. Next we copy its link from here. So we have taken the necessary details from here. Now if we go to the next from here, how do we promote it? How do we link it? One important thing is that any offer, whether it is ClickBank, Digistore, Warrior Plus, Aragon or whatever network is in it, you do not have to use a direct link of any network. There are more chances that your link will be spammed or blacklisted in it. So we will use a bridge for this. We will use a landing page so that our link is safe and we can promote it well. So the next method we will use in it is that we will make a landing page. So where can we make a landing page? For that we have different. We can go to Google Sites. We have this option that we go to Google Sites. I also told you in the last video how we can embed our link here. So we go to Google Site. Second we have Linktree. Third we have Link Bio. You can use any of these three. Now in this video, I will tell you about Linktree. Next I will tell you about Link Bio. Link Bio and Linktree are the same websites and if you have seen their domain authority, then it is very good. There is a Link Bio of 62 and there is a Linktree of 93. If you want to make it on Google Sites, then you will take a blank page. You will go there and give the title here, offer it below. Now I am leaving it because I told you about it in detail in the last video. Now what we will do on Linktree, we will select the offer from there. We will bring that offer here. We will add it here. First of all, we will make an account. I will also give it in Link Bio. When you make an account, it is a simple procedure. You will sign up. After signing up, when you come to the dashboard, you will have an environment here. If you go to your profile here, then you can go to your account and give pictures here. And now the link we took from here, this is our link. We copy this link from here and add link. Now after adding, we have to give it a title. So what we can do with the title, grab a $70.50 PayPal gift card, copy it and paste it here in the title. So what will happen, we have this link added. When this link is added, we can promote it very easily. If I give you an overview of how it will look, this is our profile link. We copy it and paste it here. So look at this, we will have the whole page that we will send to the person we send it to. So how will he see it? Here look at this, we have to grab a $70.50 PayPal gift card. This is here, on the back end of this, we have put the link of that offer. So now what is our offer? That link is not coming directly, we are promoting this link, which I am highlighting above. We will promote this link. Whoever opens this link will get this dashboard in front of him. If he clicks on this, he will immediately redirect to that landing page, that offer page. So this will also come in front of you. You can see it. This is our offer. After this, we can customize it a little more. We can do it well. If we want to give a header here, we can give a header from here. We can change this whole environment a little. If we give the title of the header here, then we can say that best PayPal offer. If we do this, then this will come to us. When we refresh the page again, we will see this above. So look at this, best PayPal offers have come. If you want to add any other offer in it, suppose we have any other network other than CPAGrip, ClickBank or whatever you are working on, we will add a link here. Suppose we will put the link here, we will add it, it will be added to us, and here we will go to the title and write, ClickBank. I am adding this just to explain to you. So when it will be added here, we will refresh this page once, then we will see that this second offer has also been added. Similarly, if we want to give a header to it, we will give it a header here as well, as I gave it below. Now our landing page will be created. In this way, you can add a third link, fourth, so on. So this is its best method, that instead of promoting a direct offer, you make a landing page, make a bridge and promote it. Then we will copy this link from here. This link has come to you. Now I will tell you a little difference. This is your offer link. See, this is a length. It seems a little complicated to read and write. This has come to the link tree. So see, this is a very simple and short link. Next we come to how we will promote this link, how we will bring traffic on it. So what we do in that, we have a very simple method. You just have to understand this. You have to go to Google. Here you have to write state-of-the-art mailer. Now here you have to click on the first link. Here you will fill your details, first name, last name. Here give your email address. Here give your password, verify it. Here click on I am not a robot and click on sign up. So from here your account will be created. Now what you have to do, once they have sent an email to your email address, you have to re-verify it so that it will be confirmed that you have created this account. So when we open our mail, there will be a verification link here. We will click on it. So we will verify our account activated. Now it will take us to our dashboard within 5 seconds. So what you have to do from here is that we will put the email address we put here. We will put our password here and click on submit. One time 24 hours. Congratulations, you have just joined one of the most responsive mailers on the internet. You don't have to do anything from here. You just have to go to the bottom. At the end you have to say thanks for the offer, but I will have to say no. I realize that I am not going to be offered this special pricing. You will click on it. You will go to the next page. When you go to the next page, you will see the bottom right corner. No thanks. You have to click on it. The next page will come again. No thanks. Take me to the page. You will click on it. So we will have a page open. You don't have to do anything on this page. You will go to the bottom and go to the bottom and you will see that no thanks. I will pass for now. When you have created your account, you will come to its dashboard. When we come to the dashboard, we will have an environment like this. Look at this. Scroll down. Now you see, from here we see this state-of-the-art mailer. Look at this. Show hide your email history. If I click on it. Now we have nothing. Sorry, no history found. Now because we have created a fresh account, we have not done anything. This is a free account. In this free account, we can send 500 emails in this free package. The procedure is that if you keep using it for a while, you have different email addresses and you create a new account every 2 or 3 days, then you will easily send 10 to 15,000 emails from here on autopay. So now what we have to do is we have to make our own campaign, that we have to run this campaign. Which campaign? We have to go to the landing page that I made in the link tree, which we have to promote. in which we have added this offer. So we go here, look at all these things at once. It is locked, it is written. These are all premium options of upgrade. So we don't have to use anyone. What we have to do is mail 500 members. We will click on it. It will take us to our next page. What we will do here is enter your ad URL here. What we will do here is we will put the URL that we have to promote, which is this one, the Linktree one. We will copy it, come here and click on submit URL, so it will review our page once. It will see here that which one is this. It is doing it again here. If this message stays here, your site does not break frames. It is doing it. We will click on proceed. What we will do here, we will give the subject. What subject can we give? Grab a $7.50 paper gift card. We will put it here. Now what we will see, we have to give a little description here. We will put a description that we will brief a little here that the things we are sending, how relevant they are. So we type here, and if we surf a little on the internet, we see it. We pick up a little good description from somewhere. You just received a great promotion for your job. If we copy it from here and we go here and add it, you just received a great promotion in your job. And now you want to give someone a little something special. But how do you know who they are? For more details, what you will do here, click here and we will copy this link again, and here we will fold it and we will do it here. Where is the option of hyperlink? There is no option here. Let's go to the source and put it here. There is no option here that if we can hyperlink it from here. So what we have already done is put the link on top of the link tree. So let's do it here. Preview email. You just received a great promotion in your job and now you want to give someone. So you can click here and put the link. Now we will do it. Send email now. When we click on it, so what is this? Our email has been placed in queue and will be sent shortly. What will happen is that after some time it will start to send automatically. If we go from here and look at our dashboard, from where I told you for the first time, from where we created the email, show hide your email history. So look here, what we have now is mail history last 15. If we wait for a while, then what will happen from here? We will get its full status. Your button level is 500, permanent credit is 500, spendable is 0, total credit is 500. Maybe if it refreshes, we will see if they have started it or not. So it is still there. After some time the mailing will start. Now in today's video, we will see that without investment we can promote our offers. This was the second channel of our marketing. First we did it on Twitter. Today we did this method. Inshallah, in the next videos I will tell you some more methods. It will take some time inshallah. In the next month, we will try to see 25 to 30 different channels from where we can promote our offers. Definitely within 1 month, we will be capable. We will have so many capabilities that we will generate a good income. Suppose today we picked up this offer. The value of our offer is $2. If we take 10 offers from this method, if we get 10 leads, then it means $20. $20 is equal to, if we see in Pakistani rupees, then it becomes 5,000 rupees. And if we do this procedure in 30 days, then you can see that we can generate 150 rupees very easily. So I hope you liked our today's video. Subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you are notified of new videos. And especially tell me in the comments if you have any issues, so that we can talk about those issues. And inshallah, we will try to take you to better and easier methods in the next videos. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.